Find the derivative of f of x equals x divided by x plus 1, then evaluate f prime of 0. F of x here is the quotient, the division, of two different expressions, and the denominator has multiple terms, so we have no option to take the quotient directly. We will definitely have to use the quotient rule for the derivative here. The quotient rule will give us f prime of x equals the derivative of the numerator, the derivative of a constant times x will be the constant, that's just the 1, times the denominator left alone minus the numerator left alone, x, times the derivative of the denominator. The denominator has two terms. The derivative of the first term will be a 1. Constant times x gives you the constant for the derivative. And then the second term is a 1 with no x, as a constant has a derivative of 0. All of this is divided by the denominator squared, the quantity squared. Let's distribute the 1's in the numerator. 1 times x plus 1 will give us x plus 1. A negative x times a 1 will give us a negative x. And then all of this is over x plus 1 squared. In the numerator, the positive x and the negative x can cancel, and we'll end up with 1 over x plus 1 squared. There's our derivative. The next thing to do is to evaluate f prime of 0. F prime of 0 means to plug a 0 in for each of the x's. We'll have 1 over 0 plus 1 quantity squared, which is 1 over 1 squared. 1 squared is a 1, so 1 over 1, which equals to 1.